Let's check the engine. Right, the block looks okay. Good, let's look at the head gasket. I'll grab the scanner.
Here's the rest of the payment. All right, let me just count it. It's all there, fair deal. All right, let's get her down. Ready, pushing now. Clear, good to go. Ready? Let's pull it on 3. 1, 2, 3. Keep it steady. Got it. Clear. All right, new engine's here. Ready to slot it in. Looks good. Let's align it carefully. Okay, it's seated. Hand me the torque wrench. Got it. Bolts are tight. Looks solid.